In this lesson, we'll take a look at hover mode in Divi 5. Hover mode lets you change the design of an element when a visitor moves their mouse over it. This is a simple way to make your site more interactive and engaging. To activate hover editing, open the settings panel for any section, row, column, or module. At the top of the panel, next to the Content, Design, and Advanced tabs, you'll see a drop-down for states. By default, you're editing the normal state. From here, you can switch to the hover state. Once you're in hover mode, any design changes you make will only apply when someone hovers over that element. For example, you could change the background color of a button when hovered, adjust the size of an image, or make text change color on hover. Divi automatically animates between the normal state and the hover state, so you get a smooth transition without adding custom code. Hover mode works on almost every design option inside Divi. You can adjust spacing, borders, shadows, filters, transforms, or even animations specifically for the hover state. This gives you unlimited creative possibilities, from subtle highlights to bold interactive effects. It's also easy to preview your work. In the builder, click on Preview and hover over the element to see your hover styles in action. You'll notice how the design switches seamlessly between the normal and hover states. Hover effects are a great way to draw attention to important elements like buttons, links, or images. Just remember that less is more. Small changes like color shifts, shadows, or gentle movement usually create the most professional results. That's hover mode in Divi 5. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to save your layouts, sections, rows, and modules so you can reuse them across your site.